So it's freaking early in the morning. My kids are sleeping. I snuck out and I got myself an Apple Watch. Yeah, I never had an Apple Watch before. I got my wife an Apple Watch, but not myself. I always had a Samsung phone. I finally have, well, I'm using my phone to record it now, but this is the first time I ever got myself an Apple Watch. So I want to show it to y'all. So let's open it up together. Wow, look at this. It's freaking fancy. So right when you open it up, got that, what do you call it? All right, let's open this. We got the manual, different type of watch. The one that I got is the Ultra 2, okay? I just like the way it looks. I've been eyeing on it, and well, I guess it comes with like how you start. This is the manual right here. Okay, we can just talk about that later. Just gonna put that there. This is the box right here, y'all. Look at this. Man. Okay, so here comes the band. So this is the band right here. But we're gonna open up the watch first before we open the band. So when you see this right here, let me see it. And I got this at Costco, by the way. So I don't know. I'm excited for this. I didn't let my wife know though. She'll find out when I wear it, you know. Okay, so this is how it looks like right here, y'all. You see that? Wow. So I'm just gonna. So in here they have the charger. Okay, so this is the charger with the USB Type-C right here. Let's go and put there. And this is the watch. Isn't it amazing? So at Costco, it's like $80 off right now. And the promotion ends like on January 5th. So I woke up hella early, bro. Look at this. Dang, this thing is solid. It weights nice. The way it feels. I know I don't have a big wrist. I don't have a big wrist. But I just like a big watch, you know? Look at this. I mean, whatever is here in my hand. I'm gonna go and leave it there. Let's open up the case real quick. Oh, there's another attachment there. And all right. So this is like a oops. Almost dropped that one. All right, so I got all the junk out. Okay, how does this work? I don't even know how to put this together. Is it this way or that way, or well, I'm assuming it's this way. Oh, I don't want to hurt it. It's not coming through very well. Hold on, hold on. There shouldn't be anything different. Okay, so I'm assuming it's like this. There it is. Whew, I didn't want to do that. Okay, and then we got this right here, which is, I don't want to scratch it, you know what I mean? When you guys get new stuff, don't you guys be more careful until you guys use it like a couple weeks in and you're like, oh, whatever. Like, that's how I am. And when I get stuff, I like to make use of it. Some people don't like to use their stuff right away. Okay, let's see. See, I have a small wrist, but I like something big because, you know, I don't like my little, I might have small wrist, but my finger, I want it to have like space for me. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on real quick. I want to press this button. Huh, that's not the on button. Let me see. Where's the on button? There it is. So it's this bottom one right here, not this top one. Okay, so it's loading it up. It's clean. It's clean. I like this strap. You know, I was thinking about like just, you know, getting different strap, but sometimes this is soft. It feels nice. It's like convenient. You can fit your wrist up here. You want to wear it higher up. This is really nice. All right, so I have to access with my phone, Apple Watch phone. Yes, yes. Okay, Apple Watch. So this is what it's displacing. But hey, once I get this thing up to date, you know, I'm gonna show you guys how I like it, and I'm actually very excited. You know, I'm like a kid who, you know, when you get a new toy, you just want to have fun with it. So today I'm heading out of town, and I might make my wife drive, so I can sit on the passenger side, play with this, you know, and get to know a little bit more. But that's gonna get me in trouble too. You know how it is. You can't just sit still and not help. But anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. I'll let you guys know once I set this up. Dang. Alright guys, so I got it all set up right here. Look at that, nice and clean. And the reason why I got this Apple Watch is because I figure, you know, I do a lot on my phone and I'm always on the go. One last thing I have to do is pull out my phone, get all the notification here. Well, let's see what else I can do with this, but I'll give you guys an update once I get used to this first time ever wearing an Apple Watch. Check it out. Damn, I like it. Maybe I'll play around with the band a little bit. I'll see you guys on my next vlog.